Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see steps to generate the DO not released shipment list in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in into Fresa application. After a successful login, this is how our dashboard looks like. Now, go to the My Reports module. From the My Reports module, select the DO not released shipment list menu. On this page, enter the required details and click Submit. Here, all the DO not released shipments list has been displayed on the screen. These are the steps to generate the DO not released shipment list in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.